Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by pairing the Y13 to your phone. Do this now. Open the companion app your watch requires and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Once paired, grant location and notification access. These permissions let the watch mirror WhatsApp messages. Make sure the companion app stays allowed to run in background, otherwise notifications won't reach the watch. This first step creates the communication link, so don't skip the permission dialogues. Those are why messages appear on your wrist. Once done, open the companion app's notification settings and toggle WhatsApp mirroring on. You need to select WhatsApp from the list of apps to forward messages. This tells the watch which alerts to show. If the watch app supports quick replies, enable and configure templates. This is how you respond from the wrist. Make sure to exempt the companion app from battery optimization so notifications aren't blocked, otherwise you'll miss messages intermittently. Now test with a WhatsApp message. Watch for vibration and the notification card. You can tap to view, then use quick reply or a template to send short replies. This works because the watch mirrors the phone's notifications. If messages don't arrive, recheck notification access and auto start for the companion app. Make sure the phone's Do Not Disturb isn't blocking WhatsApp. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart both devices after regranting permissions to ensure the mirroring service restarts correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.